What's up, you guys? So I received a large batch of things I purchased from Shein, and one of them, I've been receiving a lot of packages. I've been ordering from them a lot, but one of them I wanted to come show you guys really quickly, a little haul, sunglasses haul. They have so many cute sunglasses. I mean, it is getting hot outside. It is springtime. It's about to be summertime. So I love to collect shades. So it is the perfect time to go ahead and get my collection up. So I just wanted to come show you guys a few pieces from my favorite store of all time, favorite online store, Shein. So if you want to stick around to see my collection of my new sunglasses that I just got, then definitely stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna hop right in and not waste a lot of time. So a lot of my sunglasses did come with this nice Shein sunglass case. Very nice quality for a little bit of money, you guys. All these sunglasses were under $10. Yes, under $10. I believe most of them were under like $9. So the first ones I'm gonna show you is the cute, popular rectangle shape sunglasses. Now these did come with all of them did come with the wipes so you can clean the glasses off. They come in this nice faux leather case that says Shein. So very, very nice. So most of these are like plastic. So here is my first pair. Very, very cute purple sunglasses. I did not have a clear purple pair. And this is how they look on. Clear purple frame with also the purple lens as well. So very, very cute for the summertime. I need to do an outfit haul because I've been ordering a lot of their outfits. So definitely got to do a haul with these glasses on that I ordered to go with a lot of my outfits. So here's the first pair. Plastic, very lightweight, very comfortable. They can sit high on the bridge of your nose or low. So I got a lot in these shapes because I absolutely love this shape. This is one of my favorite shapes. So on to the next pair. So the next ones are my favorite. Oh my gosh, they're a mix of plastic and metal. So it also came in this case right here with the white. This one comes with a black white. So look at these. How cute are these? And there is the detail on the side. It's like a little GB, I think. It's like a GB, I think GB on there. But these are so hot, y'all. Like, these are gonna be my new favorite summer glasses. So cute. So it has the metal and the plastic. So cute. And I got a couple in this style in different colors. So super cute. Definitely will be rocking these with a lot of outfits this year, this summer and this spring. So on to the next pair. So these came in a slightly different case. It has like a honeycomb pattern on it and comes with a little strap. And this one actually is like a zipper case. So very nice. This case will keep these really protected. And this one also did come with a little wipe. So look at these babies. Y'all know well, y'all might not know, I love big sunglasses. So look at these. So futuristic, so cute. Very simple design. You know, the design is not very like crazy, very simple, but they definitely make a statement. Ooh, I love yellow, y'all. I love yellow, and I love how big frames fit my face. Like, I love the big frames, how they look on my face. Like, I absolutely love these. Love. And y'all, these are so affordable and so cheap. I'm going to try to link, give you links of all these sunglasses below if you want to check them out. So cute. And these were not sent to me for review, you guys. I did spend my own money to get these because I just love Shein. Like, y'all don't have to send me, they don't have to send me nothing. Like, I will order. But your girl be on Shein all the time. So Shein, shout out. Please sponsor me. Yeah, sponsor your girl. I want to become a Shein influencer on Instagram. So these are a peach color. These next ones are a peach color. Again, that rectangle shape that I love. And this is a clear frame, clear plastic frame again. But girl, look at this color. Like, this peach color. Ooh, so cute. I love, love, love these. Like, I love that I can pull off the thinner frames as well as the bigger frames. Like, and I don't even care if I couldn't pull them off. I'm wearing them anyway. I love colored sunglasses. Like, I'm not a black sunglass girl. I definitely love black sunglasses, but I love colors. Like, so cute. Like I said, check out the links below. I will link all the sunglasses if I can. Hopefully they are not sold out, but Shein doesn't really sell out fast on their sunglasses, which is good. So here are these. So, so cute. So here's another pair in that same style, like the orange one, but these are baby blue. You gotta have the powder blue sunglasses. Like, you have to. Like, it's a must. You have to add blue to your collection. You have to have blue, pink, yellow, purple, and green. That's just and black. But yeah, I love these blue ones. Like I said, it's more clear on the side, but these are just like the orange ones. But you have to have baby blue. Like, you have to have baby blue. So, so cute. And the pigment is nice. Plastic frame. Yeah. Metal frame and plastic lens, and then plastic on the side. So definitely a must have. And this is how it looks like if you want to put it up on your hair. So cute. So here's the classic color. Y'all know y'all have to have nude as well in your collection. Nude. And these aren't really they're not really clear. They're kind of like I don't know how to say it, like a frosty brown color. But I like the fact that the lens is a little bit darker. So you get a lot more, UV protection from the sun. They're not clear, so you definitely get more protection. So definitely cute. This is a classic style. Like, I love the rectangle. Rectangle is my favorite. I absolutely love it. You can rock this with anything. Like, even if it doesn't match exactly, you can match these with anything. The classic shape and color. They go with anything. Again, keeping with that classic shape. These have a little bit more point to the side. So it's rectangle, but it's kind of pointy on the side. So once again, going with that clear color. And this is my favorite, one of my favorite colors, the hunter green. So cute. So like I said, these go up a little bit instead of the basic square. These go up and point a little bit, which is that classic design. I love it. It's very timeless. Yeah, love it. And these kind of have dark at the top and more clear at the bottom. So you get that double, like, what do you call it? Oh my God, gradient. I can't talk today, but you know what the effect I'm talking about. So, ooh, it sounds like I'm about to say a cuss word. Y'all know what the effect is I'm talking about. Oh my God, I'm so silly today. All right. So yeah, definitely love these again with the plastic frame. Definitely have to have green in your collection as well. I'm saying like all colors. You got to have all colors. All colors. So yep, those are it. Very, very cute. And of course, you got to have white. Like, you got to have white. This is the ultimate summertime beach color. Like, if you wear these on the beach with like a straw hat or something, like, look at that. Like, just so cute. Like, it's just so classic. Have to have white. I'm gonna just say you have to have all colors, okay? And I love the dark lens in these. So cute. And these have this the thinner side, so not so thick. But yeah, perfect for the beach. And if you just want to make a statement without doing too much, these say it gives the perfect amount of look at me, but not really. Out there, but subtle. So very, very cute. Y'all know I did have to bring at least one black or black and brown pair. So like I said, I got like 3 of these design. So cute. Again, with that design on the side. And these just look expensive. Like, these just look really, really expensive. Like, very high end. And y'all, they were so cheap. They were so cheap. And you know who inspired me to get these sunglasses? D'Era. Shout out to D'Era and DK4L. I love you guys. Just shout out. I love you guys. And I love D'Era's fashion, everything. She is everything, okay? Like, yeah. If I didn't have a 9-to-5 job, my nails would be just as long as hers. Like, I love her style, and I'm not trying to copy her or anything, but I love her style. Like, I would love to have those long nails and like just her fashion. She does like too much, not too much, but it's like just enough for her. Like, It is so cute. Like, it's over the top, but it is like amazing. Like, I love it. Only she can do that. But yeah. She is who inspired me to go ahead and get my shade game up. Of course, they are not as expensive as her, but we have to start from somewhere, right? But she does wear Shein stuff, which is cool. But yeah, back to the shades. Very, very cute metal. Love the gold detail and the black in these. So very, very cute. And I did save my favorite pair of sunglasses for last. Ooh. Ooh. Just, I feel like a 90s video with the ring light in my glasses. But they are so cute. Very, very simple, but makes a huge statement. Like, baby, you don't even have to have your makeup on. Just have these shades on and have your eyebrows done, and like, that's it. And some lip gloss. Like, you are ready for the summer. And it's so funny because girls love wearing their shades like on their nose like this. It's just so cute. And look how big they are. Like, and I love the cream color. The cream color, they're just so sleek and girly and chic and so high end looking. It has that slight point and it has like the bevel detail. So cute. So definitely check me out on TikTok. I just posted a quick TikTok. I'll leave my TikTok information and my Instagram information right here if you want to follow me. I will be taking pictures in these. So cute. Definitely check out my video of this hair if you are loving this hair. It's giving me big SZA vibes. But definitely yeah, check out the links below. Everything will be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. I just wanted to come and give you guys a quick cute haul of my Shein sunglasses. Hope you enjoyed, and definitely stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, thanks for stopping by. Bye.